is eating its own tires, 300% faster than gas cars. Why? Shocking 2025 tests reveal a hidden crisis, from toxic pollution to $1,200 per year bills. We investigate. Electric vehicles are heavy. Their batteries add 1,000 plus pounds, crushing tires under extra load. Instant torque? Even worse. Tesla's Model Y shreds rubber 26% faster than hybrid SUVs like Kia Niro. Lead-footed acceleration, that's 15,000-mile tire life rumors. But tests prove gentle drivers get 48,000 miles. Aggressive ones? Half that. Every tire rotation spews microplastics. EVs shed 9 pounds of rubber yearly, 6 million tons globally. These particles invade lungs, PM 2.5, oceans, 78% of microplastics, and salmon streams via lethal chemical 6-ppd-quinone. California just banned 6-ppd. Europe's new abrasion laws start in 2025. Americans pay more, $500+ per year, extra versus gas cars, DC's new $500 fee for heavy EVs over 6,000 pounds. Europe fights back. France taxes heavy cars €10 per kilogram over 4,000 LBs. EU mandates 30% microplastic reduction by 2030. Shell survey. 69% of Europeans call public charging poor value. Tire costs amplify rage. ENSO's miracle tires. 35% less wear in London taxi trials. Made from recycled materials, renewable energy. Launching $500 million US factory in 2027. Driver fixes. Rotate tires every 6,000 miles, not 12,000. Avoid insane mode. Launches. Choose EV-specific tires like Hankook Ion, 43,000-mile life. Tire wear could kill EV adoption, Shell reports. US interest fell to 31% in 2025. Europe, 41%, down 7 points. But new tech like Michelin's airless wheels, tested in bolts, could end this crisis. Your turn. Stunned by tire costs or think it's overblown? Comment below.